Hello everyone. So in our last video we talked about what is mutual fund. So in this video we will talk about where are different types of mutual funds. So before jumping up to what are its types, mutual fund comes with a very big characteristics what is called as its major type or differentiation also. It is called as open-ended fund and closed-ended funds. So mutual funds which have open-ended, that means that mutual fund does not have any lock-in period. So if you want to buy a mutual fund you can sell it anytime if you want, but if you buy a what do you say close-ended fund, so there would be a problem while selling the fund. So you can't sell a fund before its expiry or what do you say lock-in period. So after it expires, then only you can cut off this mutual fund. But if you want to prematurely do that, then there would be some extra exit load what you need to pay. So mutual fund basically comes of different types, but these two major types is the main. So let us come jump down that what all mutual fund offers in different types of investment categories. So mutual funds give us a wide range of equity, bond market, that might be debt market basically. Third is money market. Fourth type of is like index funds. Fifth, if you talk about, then that is sectorial or thematic portfolios. So what are these all different categories of mutual fund investment? If you talk about, then equity gives a very much high to risk to and high reward type of thing. Debt fund means basically investment into called a bond market, debt fund, debentures, company bonds, corporate deposit, everything comes into debt market. Then that is a very low risk, low reward type of a thing. If you talk about balance funds give you a flavor of equity as well as debt. So it's a combination of both equity portfolio as well and debt portfolio. So it gives a balance between risk and reward ratio also. You can also customize it as well depending upon your taste and flavor. Next about topic, if you talk about, then it is index funds. Index funds is basically nothing but a fund investing into a different funds. Like if, so for example, if you want to invest into UK stocks, then what you can do, you can go to a mutual fund like Motilal Oswal is offering Nasdaq fund. So you invest with Motilal Oswal, but Motilal Oswal is investing into another company, another index funds or another mutual fund where they are investing into mutual funds of US. So in this manner, by a route, you can invest into different funds. So it is called a funders fund. Also, you can invest into Nifty index or anything as such also. Second, fifth one, the last one, what is called as sectorial or thematic. Why I call it sectorial or thematic means basically if a person like I am a stockbroker, so if I feel like I know majorly of our markets more. So I know which company is doing what, which broking company is doing what. So I usually like to invest into a particular sector only. Like I see always finance sector good running. I can always see IT sector booming, coming up with every time coming up with new technologies and everything. So IT always has a scope. FMCG has always been a very good thing because population demand is always there, no matter what is the condition. So in this manner, if I want to invest into a particular sector, then this type of mutual fund is also available. That is called sectorial. And thematic, I said, as there are some big investment companies which offer like Invesco or any other as such. They give us fund like a trillion dollar economy fund, Make in India fund. So in that, companies which are selected in those mutual funds are related to that thematic purpose. So in this manner, if you're a mutual fund person, then you have to see which category fits into it and which would be a very much beneficial for you. So I hope you like this video. Then please do like and comment on my channel. Thank you.